Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm going to talk about the issue where your Mercedes will crank but just won't start, and it sounds similar to this. And you may be wondering what's the cause. You're getting some error codes, and the error codes, you'll see those error codes here that I'll put up. And also how easy it is to diagnose, troubleshoot, and fix this problem. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, then share, then subscribe. So some of the most common error codes that you'll get in this situation start off at P0340 and they go all the way up to P0344. Now you may get other types of error codes. For example, if your fuel mixture, your fuel pump is bad, and or your chain and sprocket have stretched. As some examples, the codes will be different. So this is just a guide, but let's get started. Take off the engine cover, put it to the side, and the reason why the engine is continuously trying to crank but not start. So the reason why the engine is just continuously cranking is that this sensor right here, the clip that held it down onto the sensor, snapped off. You can see that I've put tie wrap on it for the moment because I need to go get the new harness here, and I'll show you guys how to change that out and wire it in an upcoming video. However, in this particular situation, the camshaft that was connected to this harness here was not getting any signal because the harness was disconnected. That is basically simulating a bad sensor. There are 4 on this vehicle. This is the ML350, 2 on the left bank and 2 on the right bank, left being the passenger side, right being the driver's side. So I have a video up top that shows you how to change these. Go ahead and click on that video up top to see exactly how these parts are changed, as well as the part numbers in the description below. They're not hard to change. Most of the time it might be 1 or 2, but the error code itself will tell you exactly which bank the sensor is on. If you're getting different error codes than the ones I've posted, drop me a note in the comments below and I'll be sure to help you out. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.